How to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can play multiplayer mode in Bonelab Quest 2. Now if you just pull up the game via Steam or any resources that you use to run the game, you will not be able to use the feature of multiplayer because it does not exist by default on the game. So what you want to do is to use a multiplayer mod. Now access your preferred web browser, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then type in Bonelab multiplayer mod. So what usually people do is to download it directly from maybe GitHub or from Thunderstore. Now, once you are on Thunderstore's official site, this is going to be your interface. If you scroll down under details, in here just choose on install with mod manager, or you can manually download the whole thing. And then if you scroll down once again, Thunderstore actually provide you an installation setup. So put all the content of the mods folder into your mods folder into the plugins folder from Steam. And then just basically drag both the mods and plugins folder into your game directory, which is going to be Steam. Now just simply run the game and observe if it is causing lags or crashes. If it does, then go back into this website right here to look for the change log. Now, if launching it crashes, then you just want to update it into 7.7.0, and then for quick patch, just gonna be 7.5.0 and so on. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2.